Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. I'm rushing against time right now because the sun is setting, so I'm going to film this intro very quick. But today's video is going to be about how I got this makeup look. It was my first time playing with green eyeshadow, and I think for the first time it's not too bad. So I'm trying to experiment more, just try out different styles, expand my makeup techniques and all that jazz. So if you like how this looks and you want to see how I got it, it was really simple. If I can do it, if you can do it, just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm starting off with my brows already done. They're looking a little crazy, but I'm going to fix it at the end when the rest of my makeup is on. So I'm going to start off with the eyes first. And for the eyes, I'm going to take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Ivory and put that all over my eyelids with the Beauty Blender. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Take Me to Brazil palette. And I'm not going to set that concealer because I want the colors to stick. I'm going to go in with this shade right here and just place that all over my eyelid. I really want this to be opaque, so I'm going in as many times as necessary and just packing on the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take the shade right next to it, this foresty green, and I'm going to put that right on top all over the eyelid as well. Now I'm going to go in with the light green shade up here on a fluffier brush and then blend that all over my crease. Okay, bring you guys in way closer, that way you guys have a better look at the colors and stuff and what I'm doing. Okay, so we've lost some of the pigment from the lid color, so I'm going to go back in again and blend the lid color. I'm going to only use a darker one that we used this time. So now I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's like a mossy shimmery green. Before I finish the eyes, I'm gonna do my face. So I'm gonna clean up the fallout with a wipe, kind of create a semi-sharp line. See, now that I cleaned it up, I feel a little better about it, but it's always so hard for me to play with color. But anywho, I had already moisturized and prepped my skin, but I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and I'm just gonna pat that into mainly just my nose and like chin where I get oily. Okay, so for my base, I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 125 Nude Beige, and then I'm gonna mix that with a little bit of the Fit Me Dewy and Smooth in the shade 235 Pure Beige, just because this is like slightly too pale for me and I wanna add a little warmth, and I also wanna be a little dewy. So I'm gonna take another light layer, but only of the lighter shade. And I'm only going to put this like where I need extra coverage. I'm going to brighten up the under eye a bit, and I'm going to use my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade Nougatine, I think is how you pronounce it. But all the details will be listed down below. I'm just going to apply a little bit of that. And I want everything to be balanced out, so I'm also going to apply this in the typical like highlighting areas. And then I'm going to flip back to the side that I put my foundation on and go over that so everything's seamless. Now I'm so excited because I picked up the Fenty Beauty powder. This is so satisfying. I'm going to take some on my Beauty Blender and I'm just going to press it underneath my eyes to blend it. But I don't want to bake. I like this, but like freaking wow, like oh my god, no guys, yeah, I like this powder. And then whatever's kind of like left, I just put it all over, but I didn't take any more powder. So I think this did a great job at like mattifying, making my skin look smooth, you know, like my face looks set but it doesn't look dry. I'm just gonna finish the face. I'm gonna zoom you guys a little in though, because I feel like you're a little far from me. Okay, I'm gonna do a light contour, nothing you haven't seen on my channel before if you've watched any of my other videos. I'm gonna take the middle shade in the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm gonna just softly blend this. Now I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade in the palette. And what I like to do is I like to take just a little bit, and then I only put this under my cheekbones. I don't go anywhere else with it. For highlight, I'm gonna use the I Like Your Face palette by Colourpop. For blush, I'm going to use Tarte's Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party. And I don't think I'm not going to put it so close to like my cheek area on the nose. I'm mostly going to put this like further back. And then with the highlight in between the bronzer. And then I am going to put just like a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to the eyes. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. I'm gonna smoke out the lower lash line. I'm gonna take a mixture of the two greens that we used all over the lid. I'm gonna try to put this as close as I can underneath the eye. I want the green to appear a little smokier and darker. So I don't know if you can tell that the bottom is slightly darker, but either way I'm gonna go in with the black in that in the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'll focus this like on the outside. I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild eyeliner. This is just like the pencil eyeliner, and line my waterline. I'm taking the Maybelline Lash Sensational, the regular one in the pink tube. I'm gonna go back in with the highlighters I used and put that in the inner corner. I want like a strong highlight. I'm gonna go ahead and fix my brows because I do not like the way they're looking. I'm gonna take the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter and comb through them so I can like see more clearly. It's not so much the shape that's bothering me, it's more the color I feel is like a bit too light. So I'm gonna go in with the Benefit. By the way, these brow products that I'm using are from Desi's Bomb Ass Brow Kit. Like, I love her, so I am happy to support. I got this as a gift for Christmas, but I specifically asked for it, so. But I'm just gonna take the powder that it comes with, this little guy, and the darker shade, and then I'm just gonna like pat in some of the darker powder to darken the brows up. And then going back in with the pencil, just because I see like a few gaps. I'm gonna wipe off my lips. Okay, let's go in with the Colourpop Lippie Stick and Cookie. I'm gonna apply this all over. I feel like it's just like a shade too light for me and my skin tone, or I just prefer my nudes a bit darker. So I'm gonna take the Kylie Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Dolce K and kind of just like apply this on the outside. But I'm gonna take these Ardell lashes. I'm gonna link them below. I'm actually pretty happy with how this came out, considering I'm wearing green eyeshadow. Like, that's not a color that I go for. I'm scared of color, but no longer. We're gonna test out different stuff on this channel. So let me know what you think of the finished result. And thanks for watching. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you aren't already. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!